In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello 2025 Work from Home, 5 minutes. Let's get you up and running quickly so you can organize your projects and stay focused from home. Start by heading to the Trello website and creating a free account. If you already have one, simply log in. Once you're in, look for the option to create a new board. This board will be your project hub, so give it a clear descriptive name that reflects the work you're managing. Next, choose the visibility that fits your needs. If it's just for you, keep it private. If you're collaborating, set it to your workspace so the right people can access it. A Trello board is built from two simple building blocks, lists and cards. Think of lists as the stages of your workflow, and cards as the individual tasks that move through those stages. You can title lists however you like to match your process. Many people start with a simple flow like to do in progress and completed. If you're managing content, you might prefer ideas, research, writing, editing, and ready for publishing. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. You can drag and drop lists to rearrange them as your process evolves. Now, add your work as cards. At the bottom of any list, click Add a Card and type a short, clear task title. The magic of Trello is in how you track progress. Simply drag cards from one list to the next as you move through your workflow. It's a visual way to see what's on your plate and what's done. Click any card to open the card back where you can add details and collaborate. In the description, write context, requirements, or links using simple formatting to keep it readable. If a task is big, add a checklist to break it into smaller trackable steps. Set a due date so you'll get reminders and stay on schedule. Use color-coded labels to categorize work, such as priority, type of task, or department, so you can scan the board at a glance. Attach files, links, or images directly to the card to keep everything in one place. And use comments to communicate with your team right where the work lives, so decisions and updates are easy to find later. That's it. With a named board, clear lists, focused cards, and the card back details, you'll have a simple, powerful system that keeps your work from home organized and moving forward.